Welcome to Kitchen Table Electronics, advanced topic for Module 4, the RC time constant. So here's a circuit consisting of a capacitor C on which is stored a charge Q equal to C times V, the voltage across the capacitor. The current through this resistor here, I, is just V over R. But that is equal to minus dq by dt, the charge per unit time that flows from the capacitor, hence minus dq dt, which is minus c dv dt, from which we have dv over v is dt over RC, and let's integrate now from starting at time t equals 0 to t, and the result then is, this is the logarithm of v, evaluated from 0 to v0, I'll call that, to vt, and this integral, of course, is just minus t over RC, and so then taking the exponential of both sides and subtracting one log from the other to get a ratio, we have V ln Vt minus ln V0 is minus t on RC, and then taking the exponential, we have Vt is V0 e to the minus t on RC. So you can see that the voltage decays exponentially with a 1 over e time equal to RC, whose units must therefore be seconds. Let's take a look at what this exponential looks like. The beauty of Python is you can just sit in the idle environment shell and type straight into it. So I've done that here. I've imported NumPy, I've imported matplotlib, and then I've generated evenly spaced data points using this numpy.linspace. If you copy this at your keyboard, you'll see that you get prompts if you type these instructions incorrectly as to how to fill these things in. Then I've taken the exponential and I've put in these time units, I've gone from 1 to 20, not 0 by the way, because that would cause a divide by 0 error. I've gone from 1 to 20 in time units, and I've put RC as 5 time units arbitrarily, and then I've generated a plot of y against x, and now I show the plot, and here it is. And if you look at 5 seconds, the amplitude has decayed to about 1 over ETH of its initial value. And you can see by the time you go out to 4 times this time constant, it's decayed pretty much to 0. The rule of thumb for an RC time constant is that it's settled approximately to its final value in about 10 units of RC.